Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Amanda, and we are doing a home vlog today because it is the first real hurricane of the season. It is our first hurricane in the new house. We are not in the path like on the Gulf side is. I think it's definitely gonna go towards Jacksonville, which we're on the East Coast. So I'm more worried about like Rachel Smyer, if you guys watch her. Yeah, we're just hanging out at home. We're stuck here today. We had to cancel our plans with our friends. So we went on a little walk already before the rain started. Now it's just super windy out and William's taking his first nap. He's kind of sick right now anyway, so I haven't been getting very much sleep the past couple nights. And if I sound weird, it's because I have like the world's biggest mouth sore in my cheek and I'm really favoring it, babying it, and it's really painful. I took some medicine, so hopefully that'll help. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today. Probably a lot of reading, a lot of playing games. Maggie's really into Uno right now, so we're gonna play Uno, I'm sure. We've already been watching a lot of TV, so I'm gonna try to leave the TV off for a few hours, maybe do some baking. So I just want to take you guys along with us because I haven't really vlogged from home in a long time, and I would love to just document the kids because they're just growing so quickly. William's starting to walk with a push walker and he's cruising and he's just hilarious. And Maggie is just full of spunk and energy and intelligence, and she's just so much fun to be around. I mean, we've had a lot of hard days as well, but overall, she's just such a cool little person. I love hanging out with her. So anyway, we're gonna see what we get into today, and I'll take you guys along with us. Listen, hush. Ooh, what's that sound? The midnight spooks are coming down.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
For lunch, we're having some leftover homemade hamburger helper. Maggie's having some broccoli cheddar soup and a pear. This is my first pear of the season. I got a huge bag of pears. I love pears in the winter or the fall. So looking forward to this. And we're just watching some hurricane live streams. Hello. Pumpkin man. How was your nap, mister? Sticky face. I love you. Yeah, squish, squish, squish.
Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Go, go, go. Go, 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 ball, go, ball, go. Go, ball. Go, wheels. Woo, good throw. Moving on to Maggie's salon time. And I think I decided I'm gonna give myself quite the haircut on Saturday. It's time to go short again. Not a pixie, but probably like a bob above the shoulders because I'm tired of my hair being always up in a ponytail. And I feel like this will force me to style it. Plus all my hair, postpartum regrowth is just like hilarious. So I have to like really gel it down into a top knot bun. So I think I'm just gonna get a bob and make it very styled and cute, hopefully. Hopefully I won't regret it because I do miss my really long hair when I was pregnant. But this mid-length hair that's just like hot and too much, I think I'm over it. I'm ready for something different. All right, this is me trying to be economical. It's a Target lot. Target pumpkin cold brew. It's my first time buying the cold foam in a bottle. Pretty good, very sweet, which is what I'm looking for in the afternoon, is like a sweet coffee treat. So, definitely not as good as going to Starbucks, but a fraction of the price. And I set up a little fort for the children, because William's big into tunnels right now anyway, so they're having fun. Here they go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where's William? Where's Maggie? Whoa, she's in the other tunnel. How'd she get up there? Where's Maggie? Hi. There she is. Oh my goodness. William, peek. Just a little wind update. It's almost 3 o'clock. I'm not really sure when anything's supposed to happen on our side of town, but we're definitely getting some wind gusts and some loud wind out front. Alrighty, William's taking his second nap of the day, so Maggie and I are gonna do some autumnal baking. What are we making, Mags?
Pumpkin bread.
Pumpkin bread. We found this recipe for pumpkin chocolate streusel bread, so we're gonna do that together. And it'll be our first time using our little cart that Daddy got us for my KitchenAid, so I just rolled that out of the pantry so we can use that as our workstation. How fun is that? All right, cue the montage. Take about an hour.
Oh.
All right, we're back to watching Ryan Hall, y'all, for the updates, because it's getting a little more serious now. But I am starting our dinner. We're gonna make Mississippi chicken in the oven. I normally make this in a crock pot, but I sold my crock pot, so we're gonna bake it instead. So it's just got ranch seasoning, au jus mix, butter, pepperoncini peppers. We're gonna bake this and then shred it up and have it with mashed potatoes and corn. Here's a look at dinner. I shredded up the chicken. You can serve it on a sandwich roll too. I wish we had rolls, that would be really good. Some homemade mashed potatoes and some corn. Now you sit at the table, buddy. And I just mixed Williams together so it's easier for him to feed himself.
It looks yummy in there.
We're trying it right now. excited, baby.
Yeah.
He's definitely too excited. Itsy bitsy spider, climb up the spout again. Again, again. Are you singing? Alrighty, it is getting close to bedtime. Paul's getting Maggie ready for bed right now. William's hanging out with me since he kind of just woke up at 6. But there's nothing going on really for the hurricane here. It did just get bumped to a category 4. But again, it's going towards Jacksonville on the Panhandle side. We're on the East Coast, so we're gonna get some wind and some rain overnight tonight. I kind of thought it was gonna be more today, but it's definitely not gonna make landfall till like 9 p.m. I think. So it's gonna be a lot of overnight drama. Hopefully we don't lose power or anything like that. And I think another concern of ours will be tornadoes in this area. So I have my alerts on for the Red Cross, and they're super loud when you do get alerts. So it'll wake us up in the middle of the night if there's something. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He said, I need attention. That's you. Oh, okay. But I just want to say thank you guys for coming along with us today. We ended up having a really nice day at home. It went by really fast, and thankfully nothing bad happened today. So, okay, hold on. I'm gonna get you. But thank you guys for hanging out with us on this day in the life, and we hope to see you super soon. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, kind of. Bye-bye. Okay, bye guys.